The Constitution of India. Preamble. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution.
Hi children, how are you all? All are happy? I am very happy. All are doing the science class works properly. So that's why I am telling I am really happy. So let's start today's session. Okay. So look at this glass. What you can see inside this glass? So most of you will say there is nothing. The glass is empty, isn't it? But is this glass empty? No, there is air inside it. Air is present everywhere around us. So in our last class, we have discussed about the properties of air. So some of the properties we have studied is that air has weight, air can be compressed, isn't it? In this class, we are going to deal about some other properties of air. Okay, so for that, let's do an activity, that is activity 2.4. We will perform this activity by using two bottles. So we need two bottles, two balloons, and in one bottle you have to fill boiling water and in another bottle you have to fill the ice water. So let's do the activity. So stretch the mouth of one balloon over the mouth of the bottle with boiling water and stretch the mouth of other balloon over the bottle with ice water. Ensure that the mouths of both bottles are completely covered by the balloons as shown in figure 3. So what you can observe, what happened to the balloons? The balloon on the bottle having boiling water gets inflated. അല്ലേ ആ ബലൂണ് ഇൻഫ്ലേറ്റഡ് ആയിട്ട് ഉണ്ടാവും. നെക്സ്റ്റ് ദ ബലൂൺസ് ഓൺ ദ ബോട്ടിൽ which is having ice water remains the same. So no change is happening over there. So the balloon fixed over the bottle with dash water. There you have to write cold water remains the same. It doesn't get inflated because the water in the bottle is cool. So it doesn't get inflation. So it is not inflated and it remains the same. So what you inferred? The dash water. There you can write the hot water caused the air to heat up, rise and inflate the balloon. So when there is heat, what is happening? The hot rises the balloon, so that balloon is getting inflated. So from this we understood one more property of air, that is hot air rises. Are you clear? Okay. So from this activity we understood one more property of air, that is hot air arises, isn't it? Okay. So let's see this situation in 2.5. So in this activity 2.5, observe the scenarios in figures and answer the questions that follows. So what you are seeing in these situations? How do you think the flower, the smell of the food, the sound of the train and the little seed travel. So the air is traveling along with them, isn't it? So you have to write the answer. The air carries all these things along with it. Clear? So from these scenarios, we came to know that air is carrying all the things along with. So this air has the property to help us in many ways. So the air is helping us in many ways. Have you seen in sports such as badminton, football? In that activities, the air is helping to bounce and fly. So this air has the property of helping us in many ways. Now in your studio, the page number 47, one activity is there, activity 2.7. Read this pamphlet about the working of a hot air balloon. So you can see this. Okay. So are you ready to fly in the hot air balloon? So first one, let's learn about how the hot air balloon works. First, strong balloons are inflated with cold air. Second one, once the balloon is inflated, you may enter the basket in the balloon and take your seat. Once you are safely strapped in, the air inside the balloon is heated using burners. Lo and behold, the balloons begins to rise up and fly. So with the help of the burner, the hot air balloon is ready to fly. So see these questions. Explain which property of air helps the hot air balloon fly. So can you say which property of the air is helping the balloon to fly? Yes, the hot air rises. So that property of the air is helping the balloon to fly in the air. Second question, how do you think the hot air balloon is brought back to the ground? How this hot air balloon is brought back to the ground? The heat from the burner in the balloon is reduced. So that make the hot air balloon to come back to the ground. Okay. Now we will do one more activity, that is activity 2.8. Make a thank you card that expresses your gratitude for air. The words in your card can be a rhyme or a poem. So you have to do this activity as home fun. Okay. So we have studied so many properties of air. So first one, what we have studied? Yes, air has weight. Second one, air can be compressed. What is the third one? Hot air rises. And the fourth one, we studied air can carry things. So by concluding, I wish to say that air is precious for every living thing in the earth. So you have to read all the content well and do all the activities, and I will be providing some home task also, that also you have to do. Okay, so we'll see in the next class. Till then, bye.